başladı. Kereçi payasının adı hatta.
The hailstorm that struck Gaziantep overnight had a significant impact on public life. This extreme weather phenomenon came suddenly, surprising residents who were going about their normal activities. The hailstones fell from the sky of unusual size, reportedly as large as walnuts, raising concerns about potential damage, especially to vehicles and public facilities. This event occurred alongside heavy rain that drenched almost the entire city. Within a short time, several roads turned white, covered in a layer of ice. This condition not only obstructed views, but also endangered road users. The slippery road surface made vehicles difficult to control, while puddles formed in various locations further exacerbated the situation. Paralyzed residents immediately tried to save their vehicles from the threat of hail. Many moved their cars and motorcycles to safer locations, such as covered parking areas and gas stations. Some residents even sought shelter at police stations to protect their vehicles from damage. The hailstorm reportedly lasted for about half an hour, but its impact was significant. Daily activities were immediately halted, especially in the hardest-hit areas. Traffic then became congested, and some residents chose to stop their journeys to avoid the risk of accidents. This situation demonstrates how vulnerable urban activities are to extreme weather changes. To date, there have been no official reports regarding the extent of damage caused, but concerns about the long-term impacts are beginning to emerge. The local government is expected to immediately collect data and provide assistance to affected residents. This incident also serves as an important reminder of the need for preparedness for extreme weather, especially amidst increasingly unpredictable climate change. Several residents expressed surprise at the intensity of the rain. They stated that a phenomenon with such large droplets is rare, even unprecedented. This statement emphasized that this was not just ordinary rain, but an extraordinary event that left a deep impression on the community.
To date, there have been no official reports on the total damage caused. However, concerns are beginning to emerge, particularly regarding potential damage to vehicles, building roofs, and public facilities. Local authorities are expected to quickly gather data and respond quickly to assist affected residents. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the increasing unpredictability of weather events worldwide. Increasingly unpredictable climate change means extreme events like this can occur at any time. For Gaziantep residents, that night wasn't just about the hail, but also about the fragility of urban life when faced with the unpredictable forces of nature.